Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
First, gather ingredients and tools for this simple chocolate wax method. Measure 200 grams of soy wax flakes and 30 grams of cocoa butter precisely. Use a double boiler to melt the wax slowly and safely over simmering water. Keep a candy thermometer handy to monitor temperature between 65 and 80 degrees Celsius. Prepare a glass measuring cup for pouring and have silicone molds or a container cleaned and ready. Select 10 to 15 drops of chocolate fragrance oil for a richer scent that mimics. Place the wax and cocoa butter in the double boiler over low heat and melt gently. Heat until the mixture reaches about 70 degrees Celsius for full incorporation and clarity. Remove from heat and allow the wax to cool to 60 degrees Celsius before adding fragrance. Stir in 10 to 15 drops of chocolate fragrance oil evenly for a bold aroma throughout the wax. For color, add 15 grams of brown mica powder or 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder and mix thoroughly to avoid clumps. When the wax cools to about 55 to 60 degrees Celsius, prepare to pour into molds. Pour slowly and steadily to minimize air bubbles and achieve a smooth surface on each piece. Tap the molds gently on the counter to release any trapped bubbles before final cooling. Allow the wax to set undisturbed for 4 to 6 hours at room temperature for complete hardening. Once set, remove bars from molds, trim any rough edges, and store in airtight bags away from direct sunlight to preserve scent and color.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.